All right, full forecast time. This is the final week of August. The final
wait,
full week of
no.
August.
Final full week.
Final full week.
Yeah, I'm doing the math in my head. Like,
Yeah.
no.
September's going to start next week.
Yeah. It's sad.
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
I'm just.
You could go back on vacation. It's fine.
I'm not off again.
Why did you come here to do that?
I'm here until like Christmas at this point.
I think we both are.
That is all gone.
We both are. Well, we have some really muggy air on the East Coast. This is the dew point. I just wanted to start with this real quickly. Just show you the low 70 dew points that are starting to bubble northbound through New York City. Within that air, there are tropical downpours, and there's a good bet that we get into these, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, especially because it's a Monday night, Tuesday, start of a week. We're coming off a weekend, which was fabulous. So we need rain, and it looks like we're going to get into some too. As this air starts to saturate a little bit, we're getting some fog to form, locally dense fog too this morning. So drive safely. It won't be raining on you this morning, but it might be this evening, and I'll show you the timeline in a sec. Look at that. 67 water temp, warmest of the season. Felt like, I don't know, it was almost going to be a little sensational and say bath water over the weekend. It wasn't like that, but it was comfortable enough to kind of hang out in the water for a while and not feel like you got to dart out. They're your current temperatures, folks. We're in the mid-60s right now. So let's look at the weather map. Off to the south and west, there's the very humid air. We do have a little weak area of low pressure that's going to focus some downpours on us as it moves up through coastal New England. And that happens late today, tonight, and first thing tomorrow morning. No problems with rain this morning. We will have some problems with low clouds and fog, though, giving way to some sun after those clouds kind of burn off a little bit. And across the interior, it's actually going to be pretty sunny for the middle of the day. Warm and humid, 75 to 80. Along the coast, especially the south coast, a lot tougher to get into some sunshine. Clouds will dominate. We'll have an onshore but very muggy flow. That's what you'll notice along the coastline. And then there you go. That weak low, focusing the downpours, moves northbound through New England. And by 5 o'clock, your evening commute, anywhere south of Augusta, you got a chance to be into some of this heavy rain. So please drive with caution this evening. Some of this rain will come down in buckets, and there'll be a lot of hydroplaning if you're driving a little too fast. That area of heavier rainfall will pivot into central and northern Maine during the late evening and first part of the overnight. And in some spots, the amounts could top an inch. We spoke about this last week, like don't take these numbers for the gospel here, but there's some serious moisture in the air in some places in Maine, and hopefully it's the south coast that kind of didn't get the stuff last week, gets it this time, and it could be over an inch. There are your temperatures along the coastline, lower 70s, but inland, especially Bangor, Calais, Millinocket, Caribou, you got a chance to hit 80. Very warm and muggy again tomorrow. Front comes through with some thunderstorm chances, but less rain than this afternoon and this evening. And then Wednesday and Thursday look great. We're back to some really good weather for the middle of the week. Friday, another round of showers and storms. That front should be progressive, and another fabulous summer weekend coming our way. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3, east winds 10 to 20, water temp, as I mentioned, 67. So very humid these next couple of days, showers and downpours for the evening and tonight. Tomorrow, partial sun with a chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. Then we'll give way to some sun on Wednesday. Thursday, briefly warm with a mix of sun and clouds. Friday, some storms in the afternoon. And there you have it, folks. Another awesome weekend. Goldie, sunny on both Saturday and Sunday, and highs around 80. And by the way, the humidity quits by the weekend, too.
I mean, that is perfect, right?
It really is.
All right, well done. See, look at that. Now it's good to have you back. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.